Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about a very little known function in Excel called trim. Now, we have this very simple spreadsheet, which is a customer spreadsheet, but you can see that someone has made a little mess here with some surnames and first names by leaving lots of extra space from the beginning. Now, I could go in each cell and correct this by double-clicking and backspace, deleting the extra space. But this is very time-consuming. There must be another way, and there is. It is called trim. So, let's put in the spaces again and see what we can do about it. The first thing I need to do is to insert an extra column before column A. So let's right click here and choose Insert. Okay, and here it is. Now, let's go to our first surname, Smith, on the left and type in our formula. As all formulas, we start by typing in the equal sign, the name of our formula, which in this case is trim, and left parenthesis. I would like this formula to apply to this cell. And enter. You see how the extra space is gone. It automatically corrected that mistake. Now, I could go and type in the formula for every single one of these cells, but there would be no use. It would be too time-consuming. There is, of course, an easier and quicker way. Let's select the already corrected cell and go here to the bottom right corner until you see a plus sign, a black plus sign. This is called the autofill handle. Now, click and drag down. So you see what happened here? All of these cells got automatically corrected using the same formula as the first one, the trim formula. Now, let's copy the surname, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. So that is also in my column. Now you would think that I could just delete column B and I'm ready. Let's try that and see what happens. Select it, right click and delete. So you can see that was a mistake. Why? Because my cells in column A were linked to the cells in column B. Now the column B has changed, they are no longer linked to column A. Let's undo that. I can fix this by selecting column A, right click and select copy. Now I would like to copy column A into column B by right clicking, but not just paste. I would like to paste the values, not the formulas, just the values. Now, column B does not contain formulas, only values. So now I can delete column A. Let's try again with column B and the first names. First, I need to insert a column next to column B. So let's select Insert. Now type in my formula, equals trim left parenthesis of this cell, and it has corrected automatically. The space before Jonathan, before the name, has gone. Now, with the autofill handle, let's apply the same to the rest of the cells in the column. And you see it has automatically corrected all of the extra spaces. Let's copy first name into here too. Now, I do not delete column C yet. I copy column B and then paste it into column C, but only pasting the values. And now I can delete column B. So the formula trim has automatically corrected those mistakes, the extra space that was before my words. That was the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.